Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the cucumber lemon ginger juice for weight loss that's best had during breakfast. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of cucumbers which are nicely chopped the way you look in the video. Ensure that the skin is there because it has essential nutrients. We then add 1 inch of ginger which is nicely chopped into small pieces. We top this up with some salt, add some pepper which is very essential. To this, I'll add some lemon juice to provide some refreshing, tangy taste to this. We will then add a half to 1 glass of water to this so that all of these vegetables get submerged. It is now time to grind it. We will now run the juice through the sieve so that all the hard particles are out. We will now top this up with some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Mix the drink well so that all the ingredients mix completely. Now our 100% detox cucumber lemon ginger juice is ready to be had. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.